Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to create a simple animation using Blend. And this animation I'm going to create, I'm going to use it to fade in and out contents of a text block. You can do this to any element you want. So let's start to create this animation using Blend. So here I have the project opened. I have already created a project, and now I am going to add a text block, text fade me, and give it a horizontal alignment of center and vertical alignment of center. Give it a font size and bind it to a static resource on extra large, and see how this looks. So the text block looks like this. So what I need to do is add an animation. When I tap on this text block, this will fade out, and when I tap it again, this will fade in. So next I need to open this in Blend, because Blend is the easiest way of doing this. And I will right click on the solution and select open in Blend, and the project will open in Blend for Visual Studio 2013. Right, we have this. So first I need to do is create the animation. I am going to create a storyboard for the storyboard for each fade in and fade out animation. So in the objects and timeline panel, I would click on this new, and I will add a name for this storyboard. So this is fade fade out. So I'm going to fade out text block, and click OK. And first I just expand this panel and make sure I have the text block selected. So right now the opacity, I am going to achieve this fade in fade out using the opacity property. So right now the opacity is at 100%. The text block is visible, so I'm going to add, make sure the timeline is at 0 seconds, and I will just record a keyframe here by clicking this icon right here. So this will record a keyframe, and I'm going to move the head to 2 seconds. This is 1 second, this is 2 seconds. So the duration of the animation is 2 seconds, and then again I will record a keyframe here, so you can see the duration of the animation is 2 seconds. And now while the head is in 2 seconds, I'm going to change the opacity to 0. So when I play this now, you can see it's slowly fading out. So I'm done with this fade out animation. So what I need to do is just stop recording. I will click on this button right here and just stop recording. So now I need to add another one, this one for fading in. So I will create another new storyboard by clicking this button, this plus button, and then I will add a name. This one is fade in text block. So I click OK. Here again I have this. So again now I need to fade this in, so it starts from a opacity of 0. So make sure I click this or select the text block, and then again record a keyframe at position 0, I mean time 0, and then move the head to 2 seconds, and again while the head is in position 0, that means time 0, select this and make sure the opacity is 0, and then again go to 2 seconds and insert a keyframe, and then select the text block and make the opacity 100. So when you play this, you can see it is fading in. So now we are done with the animation. I'm going to close this one and save this, and I'm going to move back into Visual Studio, and I will load the changes made by the Visual Studio Blend. So here you can see in the pawn application resources section in this page, you can see the storyboard or the animation that I have created. And right now what I need to do is, when I tap on this button, when I tap on this text block, I need to make the button fade in or fade out. So I need to add the tap event. I will create the event handler here and navigate to it, and in this one I'm going to add a simple if statement where I will check this text block dot opacity. If it is equals to 0, this is a double. So what I'm going to do is so if it is 0, I need to fade this in, right? So, and I would do is fade in text block, that is the name of the storyboard that I just created, dot begin, and this will run the animation when the opacity is 0, and else what I need to do is then I need to fade out. So fade out block begin, and that is it. So if I run this on the emulator, you can see when I tap on this text block, it will fade out, and when I tap it again, it will fade in. So I click in here, it's going to slowly fade out, and again I'm clicking here, it slowly fade out in. So that is how we create a fade animation using Blend. You can see how easy it is to create such animations. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Thank you.